We will understand the difference between union and structure in this video. First, let's have a look on both union and structure. Here, I have taken a union named status register. And inside this union, I took two members. First one is a structure named stat0 field, which is having again two members inside, each of 4 bits. And the second member is status of integer data type. As per the structure memory allocation concept, separate memory is allocated to each members. Here in this example, structure is having two elements, device state and reserved field, each of 4 bits. So, total 8 bits means 1 byte of memory would be allocated to this structure. And, as per the union memory allocation concept, a single memory is shared by all of its members. In this union, two members are there. First one, stat0 field of 1 byte, and status is of 4 bytes. So, 4 bytes of memory would be allocated to this union, and this memory will be shared by both members. So, first main difference is, single memory is allocated to union, which is shared by all of its members. And for structure, individual memory is allocated to each member. Here, I have shown memory allocation for stat0 field and status field of unions in pictorial form. Suppose, initial value of union's second field, status is 0 cross 01, 02, 03 and 01. As the same memory will has to be shared by first field as well. So, the value of stat0 field would be 0 cross 01. If we change stat0 field to 0 cross 05. The second field of union would be updated to 0 cross 01, 02, 03 and 05. So, change of one field in union will modify the other field's value as well. But, change of one field in structure will not modify other field's value. Here in the previous example, changing of stat field in structure will not impact on reserved field. Here, the size of this structure would be 4 bits plus 4 bits equals to 1 byte. And, size of union would be size of largest member. Here largest member is status of 4 bytes. So, size of this union is 4 bytes. So, the third difference is size of union is the size of its largest member, and size of structure is the sum of the size of all members.